These cats will be on the cupcakes. Hello Artscouts, I'm Euni. My husband and I decided to put up a mini Christmas tree this year because our small apartment became smaller with more stuff from work and school because of social distancing. I love our tiny special place with Christmas lights. I will celebrate December 2020 with a baking project that I will decorate with Caricature. I believe that it will be a fun project to do with the whole family, for couples, or home alone for the holiday season. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't miss the end of the video where I show one of Art Scouts caricature that I drew for the 100 Art Scouts project. In this video, I'm going to make cupcakes decorated with cat caricatures. Let me introduce these cats to you. This is Pounce, Oliver, Atticus and Truffles, Sunday, and this is Ruru. Since I have failed to decorate cake pops and gingerbread cookies last 2 episodes, I realized that I need a lot of practice for baking, especially for decorating. So today, I'll draw some caricatures the way I usually draw and decorate cupcakes with those. Let's get started! I bought the Party Rainbow Chip Cake Mix for making the holiday party mood. You might need frosting, sprinkles, and some food colorings. Pour 1 bag of cake mix into a big bowl. You need 1 cup of water, half cup of cooking oil, and 3 eggs. And beat the mixture about for 2 minutes. I'm using a muffin tin and cup liners to make them neat and pretty. Fill the cup liners 2/3 full with the mixture. I'm putting the leftover mixture into the mini-sized muffin pan. Heat the oven to 350 degrees and bake it for about 20 minutes. Let it cool down. I'm using this vanilla frosting for the cupcakes. If you want to make various colors, you can put some food colorings in it. Add some frosting on the cupcakes. Top it with sprinkles. I will print out the cat caricatures I drew. These cats will be on the cupcakes. I'm cutting out each cat. Put a cat on each of the cupcakes. Ta-da! I hope you can make your own cupcakes for the holiday season and have fun doing it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to Art Scout. And please let me know how it goes in the comments below. I am giving a caricature as a gift to those who help Art Scout grow. I will select 1 Art Scout subscribers who leaves a comment on my videos every week and draw a caricature of that person. I put a video of my drawing in the next Art Scout video. Who will have the next caricature? I will see you next time. Bye bye!